Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the Casey Renee fam. Glad to see you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. Okay, so we're gonna get straight into this video. So this video is going to be an unboxing slash first impressions of West Kiss hair, the hair company, y'all. So I ordered this hair on February 28th, and it is, what's today? It is a March 8th. So alright, so it took a total of 8 days to get to me. Mind you, it is coming from China, I believe, but they used FedEx. So apparently when I first ordered the hair, I got an email, basic, you know, a confirmation email. That's normal. And then I also got another email which was, hold on, let me find it. I got another email basically right after my confirmation email, basically making sure that my address was correct, because I do stay in an apartment, so they wanted to make sure that I did put my actual apartment number on there, because it would delay the shipping if I had forgotten to sorry, I got a text from my Uber Eats people, but anyway, it would delay my shipment if I had forgotten to put my apartment address, which I had put it on there, but it was great. I like that they actually reached out to you personally to be sure that you did, so that you wouldn't have any delay in shipment. This past Wednesday, which was, what was Wednesday? This past Wednesday was the 3rd. They emailed me and said, hey, the warehouse has finished and sent out your hair. Once FedEx receives and processes it, there will be a tracking information update. And they gave me the tracking number. And they said, thanks for your understanding and patience. Now, the wig that I did get, you guys will see, but it's one of their HD lace wigs. So I do believe the processing time is much longer than a regular wig that's already made. I think they make these to order. I think the other wigs that aren't HD lace are already made, so therefore they go out as, it's not really a processing time. They go out as soon as you order it. But yeah, so I just received the package literally 15 minutes ago, and I wanted to open it up on camera. So like I said, it came through FedEx, so I'm gonna take it out. And this is the box that it comes in. Super cute. Has all of their websites, the email, and the WhatsApp number. So it's pretty cute. It says, love yourself, start from West Kiss hair. So yeah, this is really cute packaging. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let me get some scissors. Okay. Okay, so it's one of the boxes that, you know, just open up like this. So inside, I don't think I see an invoice, so I can't really tell. I gotta look at my phone and see what I actually ordered, which is okay. So I'm gonna get to the wig last. So what comes in the box is this elastic band that you can sew onto your wig, which is really nice elastic band actually, because it's one that's, you know, you can pull apart and stuff. So that's cool. It comes with a wig cap, which I do use these. Love a wig cap. And then it comes with this West Kiss storage bag. So this is what you will put, it's satin, and you will put your wig in here to store it when you're not using it. So that's what came with mine. And now I'm about to show you guys the wig. Actually, I'm going to tell you what I got first. So I purchased the Skin Melt HD Lace Wig Body Wave, and it's a 13x6 lace front wig. And hold on, y'all, this is my Uber Eats person. Okay, y'all, sorry about that. The man, he wasn't reading the, y'all, if y'all have codes, y'all live in an apartment, y'all got codes to y'all gates. Them folk do not be reading what y'all be writing down. And I'm tired because I just had to run outside. Let me gather my breath. Okay, so yeah, I got a 24-inch and a 180% hair density, with the cap size being a medium. So let's get into it. So it comes in this baggie right here. Oh, and it does say the hair specs on the bag. So it says it's a HD lace, 24-inch, cap size is medium, and the hair density is 180. Okay. So it comes like this with the hairnet. And the paper for the cap, to keep the shape of the wig. Just gonna take that apart. Take the hairnet off. So can y'all tell there's lace? So this is the HD lace. I've never had HD lace before, so this is what it looks like once it's on the skin. It looks really good. Looks really, really good, actually. And it looks like the knots are single knotted. Looks like it. I don't know. Okay, so the hair feels so good. It is so soft. I know y'all saw when, as soon as I took it out, I smelled it. But yeah, as soon as I took it out the package, I smelled it because I had watched this review from this one girl, and she had unboxed her hair and she said it smelled horrible. But I'm just so happy that I did not get that, because that would have been a problem. But this hair feels so good. I haven't gotten any strands. Let me do it again. Still no strands. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Now this is body wave, and I have heard a lot about once you wash it, it's not gonna ever be body wave again. But I guess we'll have to see. So far so good though. But you guys see the lace, and you guys see the hairline, and this is the inside of the wig. So you can see that it is a 13x6, so it has really deep parting space, which is what I like. And the rest of the wig is machine stitched. The wefts are machine stitched onto the wig. There are 3 clips, so one at the very bottom in the back and 2 on the sides. And then there is also an elastic that you can, make tighter if you need to. So yeah, so far so good. The hair doesn't have a smell. It's 1B. The hair looks true to length. I can't really, let me see. This is it. This is it, just still in the natural state, but it straightened. It will be longer. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is going to be my birthday hair, and my birthday is this month. It's the 25th of March, and I am going to this stylist in Detroit. Y'all, she be bomb as hell. Y'all go see that though, because I'm gonna vlog it. to get it installed. I'm gonna get it installed on the 24th. So yeah, y'all gonna have to wait till then to see how this like melts to my scalp. But baby, this hair is bomb, y'all. This hair is bomb. Okay, so I have to tell y'all, I didn't tell y'all how much it cost, how much I paid for it. No, this hair was not sent to me, although I wish it was. But let me go to it. This hair was $386.90. I do think that it was like 20% off or 10% off, like, or something like that when I did purchase it. So the wig would normally be like $4 or something, but I got it for $386.90. And yeah, I think that's really all that I have to say. The customer service was great. The hair quality so far is very good. True to length, the 180% density, like, it looks thick enough for me. I know some people really like thick hair, but you have the option to get a higher density. But I like my stuff to look natural, and 180 looks good to me. This looks good to me. It doesn't have a smell. The HD lace really blends in with my skin complexion. I wish I had somebody here that was a little darker so I could see if it'll look the same on my skin, on their skin as it does on my skin. But yes, so far so good. West Kiss, it looks like you did your thing. And y'all, I'm gonna need y'all, West Kiss, if you're watching, West Kiss girl, if you're watching, go watch my, I'm gonna link it right here, actually, up here. I'm gonna link it. Go watch my detailed blonde bob wig install and go see how many views I got, okay? You know, and hit your girl up. In the description box is gonna have my contact information if you want to do some business, okay? Okay, because I like to do hair. I'm actually not installing this one myself this time, but this is the first time I'm ever getting having someone else do my hair. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned for the actual install of this hair. I'm probably also gonna do an update of how I feel about the hair once it's actually in my head, because we all do know hair is great when you first get it out the box, but the tested trials will start to come once it's on your head, okay? So we're gonna see what is giving, what it's talking about, and I just can't wait. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I upload. And I will see you beauties later. Bye guys.